Cleaning your overhead ceiling fan is an important task that often gets overlooked or forgotten. A dirty ceiling fan can spread dust and pollutants throughout your home, worsening air quality and triggering allergies or asthma. It's often hard to get those dusty blades clean, but it's absolutely worth the effort. Regularly cleaning your ceiling fan will help make a dramatic difference in the air quality of your home by removing dust and other allergens. In addition to improving the air, a clean ceiling fan looks better and keeps your living space looking neat and tidy. It enhances the overall aesthetics of the space, increases longevity of the ceiling fans, saves money on replacement costs over time. Caring for your overhead fan helps it run more efficiently, which saves you money in energy costs over time. If this information has been useful to you, show your support by commenting, liking, and subscribing to Beyond Thresholds for more helpful content. Don't forget to stay tuned for upcoming updates on cleaning tips. Thank you for watching.